organize studying for NCLEX success, because this is the season where everybody's talking about NCLEX and you probably are juggling many things, but this is how you should be organizing your studying. Number one, starting with the foundation, just like we're doing here, core content first. Before you try to answer one practice question, you need to know what you're being tested on. That's core content. And it's not just, oh, anything in the world. No, it's the diseases. It is the laboratory values. Okay, it's the meds. It's the priorities of care. This is where most students go wrong. They jump to questions without reviewing, without really building that knowledge base. The second thing is, don't be all over the place. Because when you do that, you just set yourself back so far. So follow a structured daily study routine. All right. Remember, NCLEX is passed by what your habits are. And this is so true about people. People don't decide their future. Okay. People decide their habits, and then the habits are what decide your future. So literally, how you succeed in the future is not, oh, you're just thinking about the future. No, it's actually what you're doing today. It's what you're doing today that either will benefit you in the future or not. So if today you are kind of putting off studying for NCLEX, you have a million excuses why you haven't gotten started. You care too much about what people think. You don't want to feel like you are trying to be better than other people, or you're leaving behind other people. In your future will be stuck right where those people are comfortable with you being. And that's never the right place to be. Whenever you find yourself living your life for what other people think, very shortly your future will show that you were not able to make much progress leading out with that mentality. So you have to be willing to go it alone sometimes. Also, you have to be willing to prioritize your goals, what you want to do, especially when it comes to professionally, because nobody's going to hand you anything in nursing. They might take it away before they hand it to you. So let's go into, again, what does it look like? It's your habits. It's not cramming. Your study plan should be simple and consistent. I'm recommending to my students, listen, this is a quick start. 30 minutes of reading. 30 minutes of reading core content. And that can be you watching the videos. That can be you writing down your own notes. 30 minutes of answering practice questions. Get inside of the V2. There's a question bank in there. You can do practice questions. And then 15 minutes, just go over the rationales in the Q bank. And then you know your weak areas. Nobody has to tell you what you're weak in. You know better, so do better. Okay. And when you're reading, don't just read and recite it. So say it out loud. The brain remembers what it hears, says, and sees repeatedly. So that's why Quick Facts really helps you to build that repetition. I mean, it's the reason why I wrote the book, because I'm the type of person who I don't have the attention span to be reading paragraphs and paragraphs of stuff. Literally, when you speak to me, when you talk to me, sometimes I'll say, can you just tell me what you want, right? Or explain to me what you need, okay? And that's not me being rude. That's me just wanting to get to the point. I want you to tell me what do you need me to do? How can I help you? All right. And that's just the way that my brain works. Some people just want to know what it is. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. That's me. And again, everything that I'm doing, I am able to teach. I'm able to make things simple through my program, the NCLEX V2. And it is not just a book, let me tell you. It is not just a Q bank. It is an entire system of videos, books, and a Q bank, all working together to make sure that my students are on the right path and they are passing NCLEX.